No American should stand in front of you without acknowledging that one of the major reasons for the New World Order is President Donald Trump. He's not a deal maker, he is a deal breaker. And the first disruption and disorder that we've had has been a series of deals which our president has broken. TPP is a real blow, in my view. So there are a lot of reasons for the New World Disorder that I think Americans have to take our share of this. We've lost our ability to be predictable to our friends and to our allies, and this is not a good thing. I sometimes wonder what Xi Jinping must think. I know that he and his colleagues have come to one conclusion. In their view, the United States is not going to allow China to take a co-equal position on the world stage. That's what they believe. And that's guiding, I think, some of their behavior, and it's led us into this terrible trade war. I'm predicting to you there will be a trade agreement between China and the United States. Now, it will be very tiny. It's not going to be very big. It's not going to be very meaningful. And our president, of course, will describe it as the best thing ever, best deal ever. I think that China's avaricious economic behavior had to be stood up to. But you don't have to get it all at once. Diplomacy, frankly, is not the art of getting the maximum position in one fell swoop. And diplomacy is the act of, over time, getting the maximum position you can, but realizing that both sides have to win something. There is zero chance that Kim Jong-Un will give up his nuclear weapons. He is not going to do it. The only reason anybody talks to him is because of nuclear weapons. And look, from his point of view, he's been to Beijing so many times, and Xi Jinping's visiting him. Vladimir Putin's exchanging letters with him. President Trump has met twice. He's on top of the world. He's got things that his father and his grandfather never had. And the only reason he's got them is because of nuclear weapons. We're not going to go back to normal, the normal we knew 3 years ago. We're going to have a new normal. The good news about the new normal is, I think, we have mid-level foreign policy people. They're very solid. They want to do the right thing. They believe in alliances. They believe in listening to people who have different points of view. And I think that sentiment is becoming more and more widely spread in the United States. We don't like to be putting a snarling, angry face forward to the world. Most Americans don't like it.